Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are looking at how to find people on Telegram, and we need to clear up some confusion about the people nearby feature. If you have been looking for the people nearby option recently, you won't find it. Telegram officially removed this feature completely to improve user privacy and stop spam. It no longer exists in the app. However, if you want to find and connect with people you already know, you just need to sync your phone contacts. Here is how to do it quickly. Open your Telegram app. Select Contacts from the menu. If this is your first time opening this section, Telegram will ask for permission to access your phone's contacts. Tap Continue and then select Allow. Once you grant permission, Telegram will instantly sync and all your saved contacts who use the app will appear on your screen. If your goal is to find new local communities since the nearby feature is gone, the best method right now is to use Telegram's global search. Just tap the search bar at the top of your chat list and type in the name of your city or neighborhood to find public groups near you. That is the most updated way to connect on Telegram today. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.